Hello friends, I have started this channel around 6 months ago with a 2 month break in between because of the pandemic. So these are all the videos which I had done in 6 months and hoping to get 100 subscribers soon. So this is the first video I have done for a red heart on Valentine's Day. I had designed, painted a picture and then sticked it onto a wood heart which I had found in the dollar store and did all this. The next one I had done was a chocolate box. I decorated a Ferrero Rocher chocolate box and it came out very beautiful. I really liked it. The next one I had done was a heart shaped again, fluffy heart shaped thingy. It came out really very beautiful, and you can do this especially for the Valentines and some giving something someone you love specially. It's really very easy, even kids can do it. And this one again is the Love, LOVE, which I had bought in a dollar store, and I really liked it, and I tried to make it more prettier. And then the next one I did was the Sharpie unboxing, which I had bought in the Costco for a very nice price. And so that was the detailed video I had done. I'll provide all the links, these videos, in the description. Please click on them and watch them, and do subscribe to my channel. And this is a crown, kind of a pen holder or a holder, you can say, which I had found in dollar store again. So I tried to use all the dollar store products to make it useful and keep it nice and cute. And this is the one I did with the ice cream sticks, lantern kind of a thing, and it came out really beautiful. We can use it for parties and all. And this one I kind of did like a birdhouse or a flower house, you can call. It came out very nice with all the flowers which I had bought in the dollar store. And next one I did It was a name, kind of a name tag or nameplate, and in this situation I wanted to say be kind to others, so I did that with these are all the products which I bought from dollar store. So for this, yeah, it came out really nice. It doesn't look like it's paper behind. And this one I had done a picture frame. Again, this is the things I bought from the dollar store too. And I made kind of a sea theme, mermaid theme, and I used some shells and wood glue to keep them on, and I'm still using it with my kiddo's picture in the frame. So and the next one, this is what my daughter did. She got so inspired being at home that she wanted to do this project, and she did decorating and all the stuff. That was entirely her idea. I was just helping her out. And then the next one I did was number plate, or you can say your marriage day or the day your kid was born. You can use this kind of idea with the seashells you find in your vacations, and make it as a memory, or gift it as a memory. And then for the 2 months I haven't done anything, and then my daughter's birthday was there, so I did a small video uh, of her birthday party. The next one I did was watercolor unboxing, which my daughter wanted to buy for herself. So this is the gift we got her, and then she did the unboxing video sitting patiently all the time while I was recording. And the next one I did was the leaf which I was coloring. So this is what I had done for my first watercoloring. The next one, me and my water did the beach ball painting, which is very easy and simple. You can do it with your kids. So this is again the watercolors which we had bought for her. After the beach ball, I had done the citrus painting of lemon, orange and lime. You can watch the video in the description below. So I did a lot of dark green leaves in the background, which really made the citrus, lemon and lime and orange pop out. It came out really nice. I got really good appreciation from my friends. They really liked it. And the next one I did after that was a Ganesha for our Ganesh festival, which I made an eco-friendly Ganesh, uh, which we can do at home every time we have this Ganesh festival. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.